I love watching videos on what people are eating, and I'm in a low calorie, trying to eat in a calorie deficit, but high protein. I'm also in my luteal phase, so I'm trying to eat as many veggies as possible. But this salad is from Slim's Chickens. It's 380 calories with 40 grams of protein. And then the dressing I use is the Cayenne Ranch. I think it's 130 calories. So for less than 500 calories, and like, this is a really big bowl. They know how to make a salad. If you're trying to eat in a calorie deficit or want a high protein meal that's easy on the go that you can grab, I'm about to eat it in my son's school parking lot before pickup, try out Slim Chickens.